In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a luxury Shopify website. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. This is where you will manage the design and layout of your store. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Visit Theme Store. This will open the Shopify Theme Store, where you can browse themes built for different styles of brands. For a luxury website, choose an editorial-style theme that feels refined and premium. Good examples include Prestige, Impulse, or Silk. These themes are known for elegant layouts, strong image presentation, and a polished shopping experience. Once you have selected the theme you want, click Add to Theme Library. If it is a paid theme, complete the purchase process and make sure it appears in your theme library. Next, find your newly installed luxury theme and click Customize. This opens the theme editor, where you will shape the look and feel of your storefront. In the left sidebar, click the theme settings icon, which looks like a gear, and then select Colors. Here, set your main background layout to a clean off-white, light cream, or muted beige. These tones create a soft and elevated visual atmosphere. They also help product photography stand out without making the site feel harsh or overly bright. After that, stay inside Theme Settings and click on Typography. Change your headings font to a classic style that feels elegant and timeless. This is important because typography has a major effect on how luxurious your brand appears. A strong heading font can instantly make the storefront feel more curated and high-end. Now move to the homepage layout and add a full-width slideshow or image banner section at the very top. This top section is one of the first things visitors will see, so it should make a strong first impression. Use it to communicate the mood of your brand with a clean and premium visual style. Finally, upload professional, high-resolution brand photography. Choose images with minimal text overlays and clean compositions. Luxury websites work best when the imagery feels spacious, intentional, and visually calm. Avoid cluttered graphics or busy messaging, because the goal is to let the design and product visuals speak for themselves. Once these elements are in place, your Shopify store will already feel much more polished and premium. That covers everything you need to know.